Hey guys, if you're looking for a simple way to add some color to your space, the Cololight RGB Hexagon Light Plus kit gives you the freedom to create any look you want, whether it's a glowing wall of color, a subtle accent to your desk, or a backdrop for any video. This 7-piece light kit is easy to set up with the ability to change colors and create your own custom light sequences. You'll be able to set up the perfect scene for whatever setup you choose. This kit comes with a user guide for basic setup and troubleshooting instructions, a square base to mount the panels, fixators and connectors for the power flow between the panels, as well as to help secure the panels. Then we have the controller and the 7 hexagon panels. With the Cololight app, you'll be able to choose from dozens of dynamic effects with 16 million colors. Control the brightness and speed of the panel, as well as the ability to sync your lights to your music. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. In order to get these lights set up, make sure that you have a power supply with a minimum of 5 volts, 2 amps. From my personal experience, using a power supply below the recommended minimum, the lights would frequently hang and I was forced to reset the controller each time. Using the right power supply, it worked without issue. This setup takes no time at all. I start off by pairing the controller to the Cololight app, which also connects it to my Wi-Fi. Using the included reset pin, put the controller into pairing mode by pressing the reset button in the pinhole on the front of the controller until it flashes green. On your phone, open up the Cololight app and select Add. Then select your panel on your model. At this point, you'll be connecting to a temporary access point created by the controller. After you're connected, press Next and connect the controller to your home Wi-Fi. Just be sure that you're connecting to a 2.4 gig wireless network, as a 5 gig network isn't supported. At this point of the setup, I choose my panel design and put it together. Using the fixators, connect the panels together by inserting one end into the double slotted side and the other end into the single slot. To make the panel sturdier, using the connector, insert them into the single slots. After adding the last fixator, it's ready to be connected to the controller. When using the base, it can get a little tricky, as the panels can get disconnected or even topple over if it gets uneven pressure. Otherwise, once it's set up, you don't need to worry about it tipping or disconnecting. In the app, you have the choice of 11 built-in dynamic effects. Swiping either up or down will allow you to scroll through each of the available effects. Swiping to the left will bring up the solid color options. From here, you'll be able to swipe through 14 different colors. Have the light dynamically adjust the effects being displayed to the music that you're listening to by selecting the icon on the bottom right hand side of the app. This will bring up the light's listening mode. Here you could choose between using your phone's microphone or the controller's microphone. Another swipe to the left will bring you to the official lab, where you can select from a collection of different designs and effects created by Cololight for specific panel setups. If you can't find anything you like between the dynamic effects, solid colors, or even the official lab, you can always create your own effects by selecting the Create option on the top right hand side of the app. When creating your own effect, you could choose from the number of panels being used, as well as plotting the design and the flow of your effects. Putting your effect together is pretty straightforward, but it does take time to create each layer to get to your finished product. As mentioned earlier, these lights have integrations with popular voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. Using voice commands, you could turn on or off the light, set specific colors to display, and even control the brightness. Turn on my light.
Okay.
Set my light brightness to 50%.
Okay.
Set my light to red.
Okay.
Turn off my light.
Okay.
Turn on my light.
All Alright, turning the light on.
Set my light brightness to 50%.
Got it. Setting the light brightness to 50%.
Set my light color to blue.
Alright, changing the light to blue.
Turn off my light.
Alright, turning the light off.
Looking at the final way of controlling the lights. Using the button located directly on the front of the controller, you can turn on or off the lights. Or with the simple press of the button, you could toggle through the different effects. The Cololight RGB Hexagon Light Plus is a solid kit. It's bright, customizable, and easy to use. The 7-piece kit does offer plenty of design options to choose from. But I would say if you have some extra money to invest, the 15-piece kit would be another great option. This is where I'm going to end today's video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.